Good morning, students. Yesterday, you all studied about the varieties of food. Today, we will see what are ingredients. Ingredients means the materials which are added to make a particular food. Okay, like for example, when your mother is cooking the rice, what all does she puts to make a rice? She takes some rice, then she puts some water into it and salt, and then she prepares the rice. Okay, for example, if your mother has to prepare the chapatis, how does she prepare the chapati? She takes the flour. Okay, flour is atta. She takes the flour, then she puts some water and kneads it to make a dough, and then she makes chapati out of it. So these are all the ingredients. Now for example, if your mother prepares kheer, what are the various ingredients that is required to prepare a kheer? What all does she put? For preparing kheer, you need rice, you need milk, then she puts some sugar into it, then she adds ghee into it, then she adds some dry fruits like cashew nuts, raisins. Okay, so all these are the ingredients. So I hope, children, that you understood what is ingredients. Ingredients are the materials which are needed to prepare a particular food. Clear? So here in your book, you have got some food items. Okay, children, and here you have to write the ingredients of these food items. And this is homework for you. You all will do this. Okay? And you will write it in your books only, not in your copies. You have to write it in your books. See, the first two examples are given, boiled rice and chapati. You have to write what are the ingredients needed for preparing dal, idli, kheer I told you just now, then omelette. Okay, you have to write the ingredients, and this you have to write it in your book only. Now we come to the grouping of living organisms. Okay, on the basis of their food habits. According to their food habits, we will see how the animals are grouped. The animals are grouped into autotrophs. Okay, these are the first group, the autotrophs. Then the second groups are the heterotrophs. Clear, children? Autotrophs and heterotrophs. Now, what are autotrophs? Autotrophs means the organisms which can make their own food. And which are the organisms which can make their own food? It is the plants. All green plants, they are called as the autotrophs. And there is another name for autotrophs, that is the producers. Okay, since green plants can make their own food, they are called as producers. See, it is given here, na? Producers, as they produce food for themselves and for others. And how do these green plants prepare their own food? The green plants prepare their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green colored pigment which is present in all the green plants. Okay, it is green in color. The leaves that you see, the leaves of the plant, they are green in color. Okay, I hope, children, you all must have noticed the leaves of the plant, they are green in color. Why are the leaves green in color? The leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, so how do green plants make their food? The green plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. And since green plants can make their own food, they are called as autotrophs or producers. Clear, children? Then the second group is the heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means all the living organisms which depend on autotrophs, that is the green plants, for their food. For example, animals, human beings, everyone, they all are dependent on the green plants. Okay, and heterotrophs are also called as consumers. What is the other name of heterotrophs? They are called as consumers. Now again, these heterotrophs are divided into three groups. Okay, the heterotrophs are divided into three groups. What are these? They are the herbivores, the carnivores and the omnivores. These children you all have studied in your previous classes, isn't it? About herbivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals which eat plant. They are called as herbivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat flesh. They are called as carnivores. And what are omnivores? Omnivores are the animals which eat green plants also, as well as which eats animals also. Okay, so here it is given herb means plant and vorous means to eat. Carni means flesh, vorous means to eat, the animals which eat flesh, and omni means all, vorous means eat. So the animals which eat everything, that is plants also as well as animal product. So here you have got some examples of herbivores. You all know, children, like cow, rabbit, horse, they all are herbivores. Okay, then the carnivores, the animals which eat flesh, they all are called as carnivores, like lion, snake, eagle, cheetah, vulture, kingfisher. All these are the carnivores. Okay, and what about the omnivores? The omnivores are the animals, just now which I told you, the animals that eat both plants as well as animals. Okay, what are the common examples? The common examples of omnivores are crow. You all know crow eats both. Then cockroaches, bears, we human beings, we all are omnivores. Okay, children. So I hope that this is clear to all of you. Autotrophs and heterotrophs and the various division of heterotrophs. Okay, please go through my video properly and read the chapter also properly. Thank you, children.